Hello, this is Barry Lenore, the director at Camp Bethel. I have Wes Schrader, our food service coordinator here. We're at our ARK dining hall, and we're going to give you a quick tour of the facilities of the dining room and the kitchen capabilities, starting with our outdoor cold storage, including a refrigerator and freezer. Plenty of room. And now inside the kitchen, we enter the kitchen, and the first thing you've got here is our dry storage pantry. So there's space in there, some prep space here, and some shelves along the way. Medium-sized mixer, prep space, cabinet storage, more prep space. Around here we have our pot sinks. Lots of chafing dishes, bowls, and whatnots. Our first of two convection ovens, double stack. Our tilt skillet, what can you do in the tilt skillet here, Wes?
All right, you guys can do anything from boiling pasta to even making pancakes. This can be used as a grill. The only difficult part is the cleaning procedure, which is just adding water to it, scrubbing it down with no suds, and then tilting it all the way for the water to dump out into a bucket that gets dumped into the sink. Tools that we have is a lovely, oh goodness, what is this?
I guess a grate.
That just keeps the food in and all the liquid can come out.
And you just do it into a bucket, right?
Yep.
Okay. All right. Here on the far side of the kitchen, you've got more storage. You've got some microwave action, prep sinks, knives, all your spices and whatnot, a large industrial mixer, a warming cabinet.
And proofer.
And proofer.
Correct.
Okay.
And how do you make it a proofer is you're turning it on, turning the heat low, and then turning the proofing unit on, but keeping the dial where it stands.
Okay. Proofer instead of warming cabinet.
And
very good.
Making sure there's liquid in the middle for it to proof.
Nice. All right. Stove tops, propane fired, and it looks like all 6 of them actually work. This would be for sauces and whatnot you didn't need to use the tilt skillet for.
And the bottom does not work.
Bottom ovens.
The oven part does not actually.
Bottom ovens do not work. Serving bowls, cereal bowls, salad bowls, all of our trays. We've got all of our tongs and serving spoons and more tray pans there. You've got several carts to work with if you wanted to roll things out. We currently have the dining room set up as a buffet line here, and that would be beneficial to you to do also, plates and whatnots. And of course our dining hall can seat anywhere from 150 to 200 persons. We use round tables. We do have padded chairs. We typically do anywhere from 8 to 9 chairs per table, padded chairs. Welcome to our side kitchen, where we have more pot sinks and dishwashing capability. We have our reach-in refrigeration here. Very nice. And we also have a second convection oven that we use. Instructions are there. Hood fan, hood controls right there. More prep space. Again, this oven we do not necessarily use.
It's not even hooked up to gas.
Yeah, it's offline, okay?
Yes.
We do have a little rolly refrigerator thingy for salads or for cereals or whatnot, and storage underneath. Plenty of rolling cabinets for trays with covers, all kinds of plastic pitchers, and of course we have our ice machine here, bags and scoops, large liquid dispensary things there, extra plates, all this right off of the dish room here. And in the dish room, people would come in these doors right over here, and you would have a cycle of a trash can, and then your bussing right here, prep sink, double wide dump and fill dishwasher, drying area, clean storage over there. If you were to need it, we do have an outdoor out meals porch that we use. We have some coolers. There's a pot sink out here, so you're welcome for using coolers if you needed to transport ice or anything, as well as our marshmallow skewers for roasting marshmallows. Down here at the end of our dining room, we have our coffee and tea station. It does have a regular decaf and then a hot water for tea. And we keep a beginner supply of different teas out here. And so depending on what you needed, you would need to bring your own for extra mug storage underneath, as well as eventually the paper cup, travel cup situation. Restrooms for the dining hall are through the conference room, into that hallway right over there, or out this door and in the next door. Again, dining room. Air conditioned, electric lights, and we do have projection capability with a screen that comes down right here, and your hookups are right here. Guests can enter into the dining room right through this door, right off the parking lot, if you wanted to take meal tickets up. We also have entrances off of our main deck on the other side. So depending on how you wanted to do meal tickets, generally done right here at the main entrance. Back in the kitchen hallway, we've got hand washing, you've got baskets, you've got serving trays, as well as wet wipes, extra sweeteners, napkins, and then of course salt and pepper storage here too. And then like different signs if you want to do for table signs. All right here.
Alright, so this is a sanitation station, and so what it is just water in a bucket and a cap full of bleach, so it dilutes it. And you just want to fill the bucket 3/4 up. The clean towels are right here in the yellow basket, and all dirty towels go down here in the gray Lowe's bucket.
All right, here we are back at sort of the back side of the kitchen. We do have a small kitchen home mixer here available too. And here in the little hallway here, we've got your cleaning supplies, your trash bags for your different size barrels, and bathroom trash bags. The dishwasher should be all set chemical-wise when you arrive. Okay. Mop sink and hand sink. Mops are stored outside, and the mop bucket and kitchen sweeping right here. Aprons right here. Okay, back outside the back of the kitchen, here where the walk-ins are, you've also got trash carts. Nice trash wagons, and those can go right up the sidewalk, right up the parking lot, and if you look just right up through the trees up there, you'll see our lovely dumpster right up there. Please take all trash to the dumpster. Dumpster comes Mondays and Wednesdays for emptying. Hot water heater room has some additional dry storage of some of our paper products. Hopefully you'll be using your own, but if you needed to supplement, you could. Also, chafing dishes are stored in here. And then right inside our food service coordinator's office includes a washer and dryer for aprons and wash rags and tablecloths, but hopefully you'd not need those. All right, any questions? Email us at campbetheloffice@gmail.com or campbethelark@gmail.com.